Racking is the backbone of a warehouse or distribution center. And because of that, it's a significant source of the risk that your employees interact with each day. With so much on the line, how can you ensure your rack system is designed, manufactured, and installed following the latest standards in safety and compliance? You can look for the R-Mark certification. The R-Mark is a voluntary certification for manufacturers of storage rack systems and storage rack decking. Holders of this certification have demonstrated that they design, manufacture, and install industrial storage rack systems that comply with the latest in available standards. The certification requires a rigorous review process and commitment to full transparency around quality control. And that means companies that commit to this level of assessment are dedicated to the highest standards of safety and quality. Requirements for R-Mark certified companies include, but are not limited to, control of their structural designs and ownership and management of the manufacturing process, documented product and material integrity programs that demonstrate critical components have been physically tested for dimensional, metallurgical, tensile strength, and yield requirements, the presence of a welding quality management program, employment of a qualified engineering delegate responsible for ensuring that projects meet applicable standards, and the submission of a sample design calculation package. The package must be reviewed and approved by an independent professional engineer experienced in storage rack system applications and designs. Calculations are based on testing performed at third-party labs. The R-Mark certificate is distributed by the Rack Manufacturers Institute, or RMI, an industry group under MHI, the leading material handling and supply chain association. Members of this group are industry leaders and innovators in their product category, but membership is not required to obtain the designation. If you're looking for a vendor that matches your high standards, look for the R-Mark and make it a part of your selection process. To see a list of R-Mark certified companies or learn more about the rigorous requirements necessary to obtain the R-Mark, visit mhi.org/RMI/R-Mark.